Well, friends, Arthur and I are here again. A week has passed. They don't give me my passport, so I'm in the same clothes, and we continue to shoot you this video about how to make a sports sound of your car after you have purchased our RX sound system. Here are you sitting so happy, and here are these two emitters in your hands. And it would seem that you can already rejoice, but no, you still need to get this sporty sound. So there are 4 simple steps. We have already passed the first one, because this system is already yours. Then you need to install it. This is the very first point. This system is installed without welding, without drilling, without screws, without glue moment, without any additional things that can damage your car. There is a fastener that can absolutely be transferred from an old car to a new car. The old car will absolutely not notice any damage, because they are simply not there. Okay, we installed the system. What's next? The second point is the most important. We need to connect the system further to the onboard network. We do it all naturally according to safety rules. CAN bus, and next to the fuse box, it is connected to our system. That's it. Voila! It's installed. And then the greatest pleasure that awaits you: downloading the application. In the application itself, you can turn on, off the system. Choose the sound of the car from the media library, exactly the car that you like. Adjust the overall volume, adjust the speed and purity, control the dynamics of the sound when the speed is set. My friends, our system allows you to undergo maintenance, not to harm the car. To rearrange the system to a new car, one more time, this system is configured not as we need it, but as you need it.
По каждому параметру.